Hello, this is technology enhanced instruction, and because all my interview is actually written in Indonesian, so I make a summary and then translate them into English. Um, so I will start it with the question for the teacher. First question is, how often do you use the technology in your daily life? Can you specify? Second question is, do technology help you simplify your daily tasks? How is the implementation on teaching job? Third question is, do you think younger students should be introduced as soon as possible to technology? Can you explain your answer? The fourth question is, do you agree that technology will help teaching process? What is the positive behavior of students presented with the technology in the classroom? What is the school support in supplying technology in the classroom? The sixth question is, how do teachers maintain the up-to-date technology in helping with teaching process? Seventh question is, if you are given choices, which of this type would you choose? The one with communication technology, such as 2-way program or video presentation, or the two-way communication technology, such as tablet app or computer programs? And I asked the teacher to explain the reason on the choice. Number 8, what is the negative aspect in using technology on today's student compared to the old-fashioned way of teaching? The last question is, how do you create a technology-friendly learning environment without causing technological dependency on student teachers? I make a summary about the response based on the ISD standard for education. The first point is the learners. Teachers use technology on a daily basis and are willing to learn more about the new technology to make life or teaching process more effective. Second point is the leader. Unfortunately, on the leadership part, teachers that are interviewed might not be in the leading position compared to some students in terms of technology awareness, gadget-wise or application-wise. The third point is citizen. The teachers do constantly invite the student to contribute in using search engine on the internet to gather more information based on study subject as part of assignment. For the fourth point is collaborator. With no gadget policy in school, teachers do not actively collaborate with students or parents on social media or internet platform. The next point is designer. Teachers design their own class material and presented them using the technology supplied by school to improve learning experience. The sixth point is facilitator. School facilitate the teachers and students with computer lab for computer science class and fuse tools such as overhead projection, LCD TV for presentation, all of those to enrich the teaching and learning experiences. The last point is analyze. All the teachers are concerned about the no limitation on the internet that students might be using them for the wrong reason. However, teachers realize that they have to get students familiar with the technologies that keep updating. Therefore, they keep giving the student guidance and wisdom in using the technology. The next page is actually a question that I give to the teacher for planning the lesson. Analysis of the planned lesson. This is the tips for preparing technology-based class. In this case, is video presentation. Is the video presentation ready and working on both audio and visual? Have it been rechecked before the class started? Have we prepared the hard copy material to be discussed after the video presentation? Have we prepared a laptop with the same video presentation in case of the blackout? And is the laptop fully charged? Is the technician ready on spot in case of an error during the video presentation? And the last point is to make sure the students are ready for the video presentation and remain quiet during the session. Although the teachers might prefer two-way communication technologies such as tablets apps, but using LCD video presentation could give half of the need for students to learn more. Students are often suggested to gather more information for assignment on the internet. Discussion after the video presentation managed to get students to pay more attention during video presentation. Okay, this is the end of my discussion. Thank you for watching.